Hello and welcome to this week's Solution Saturday. In this video we're going to go through question 30 from the Consortium Group 2 2014 paper. Make sure to check out the other videos in the playlist for more work solutions for this paper and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our other videos. Points A, B and C have been plotted on the coordinate grid below. When a straight line is drawn from A to B, the midpoint is point D. Write down the coordinates of point D. Let's start off by using a ruler to connect our points. We want to form our straight line. Now the easiest method of working out where point D is to draw a triangle. We draw a horizontal and a vertical line connecting our points A and B. From here, we can count the squares to find our halfway point. Let's start off with the horizontal line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points. We know that the halfway point must be the fourth point. So let's bring that all the way up to our line. From this, we can already tell that point D is probably going to lie right here. But to double check, let's do the same for our vertical line. 1, 2, 3 points. The halfway point is the second point. Let's bring that all the way up. And yes, they both meet right here at 4, 7. Don't forget that coordinates are expressed as the x point first and then the y point. The point E is such that if a line is drawn from B to E, point C is 2/3 of the way from B to E. So we already know the positions of B to C. This means we have enough information to calculate where point E lies on the line. The first thing we need to do is figure out the distance from point B to point C. Now let's start off by connecting the two, just like we did before. But this time we're going to extend our line because we know that point E lies somewhere on this line. Now let's draw our triangle. We're going to draw our vertical and our horizontal line. From here we can count the number of squares on each line. Let's start off with our horizontal line. We can see that there are 2 squares right here, and our vertical line is 4 squares long. We know that this is 2/3 of the distance from B to E. So if 2 is equal to 2/3, then 1/3 is equal to half of that, which is 1. This means that we need to add 1 more square onto this line to make it 3. We can actually see the ratio playing out here. The red line is 2 out of 3 squares along the blue. This way we can see that we're on the right track. Now to do the same for the vertical line. If 2/3 is equal to 4, then 1/3 is half of that, which is 2. So we add 2 more squares onto our vertical line to give us 6. If we halve these numbers, so 4 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2, we get 2 and 3. Again, the ratio works out. Now we can determine the coordinates of point E, which is right here. We've already discussed how to express coordinates in this video, so we can now determine the coordinates of point E, which is 10, 2. Thank you for watching. We hope you've been able to build on your knowledge of plotting points and ratio. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out on our other platforms. Check out the other videos in the playlist for more solutions on tricky questions from this paper.